The SOFIRN ST10 is a compact, yet remarkably versatile, everyday carry flashlight designed for users who want power, convenience, and adaptability in a small package. Whether for outdoor adventures, work tasks, or daily carry, the ST10 delivers a balance of brightness, portability, and practicality that makes it stand out in the mini flashlight category. Inside the SOFIRN ST10 box, you'll find a complete, ready-to-use kit. The compact ST10 flashlight itself, a 14500 rechargeable battery with built-in USB-C charging to keep it powered on the go, a matching USB-C cable for convenient recharging, spare O-rings to maintain long-term water resistance, a wrist lanyard for added carrying security, and a user manual with all the essential instructions and specifications. Under 7 centimeters long and weighing 49 grams without battery, the ST10 is truly pocket-sized. Despite its small footprint, it's built tough with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, providing excellent durability. It's rated IP66 water-resistant and withstands drops up to 1 meter, ensuring reliability in rain, mud, or rugged environments. The SOFIRN ST10 clip-on mini flashlight is an exceptional tool for those who value versatility in a compact form. With its 3-in-1 lighting system, dual button controls, USB Type-C rechargeable battery, and hands-free options, it covers nearly every lighting scenario, from outdoor adventures to everyday fixes. Its durability, flexible power options, and practical safety features make it a reliable companion you'll want in your pocket or gear bag at all times. Best for hikers, campers, night shift workers, mechanics, and anyone needing a rugged, pocket-sized light with multiple functions.